Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make infused lemongrass oil. This oil can be used for your hair, skin, and for some other health benefits. So continue watching to find out all the benefits of this oil. Make this lemongrass oil. I'll be making use of dried lemongrass. Feel free to use the fresh lemongrass. So I'm going to be adding about 3 tablespoons of lemongrass into a bowl. Lemongrass has antibacterial and antifungal properties. It will help to relieve nausea, relieve pain, and you can also use it to treat acne. So I'm going to add the lemongrass into a blender. I would like to crush it further so that the oil can infuse easily or properly. When I'm done blending, I'm going to pour it into a bowl. I didn't blend it into a fine powder. I just want to crush it further. Then you can use any carrier oil of your choice like olive oil, almond oil, sunflower oil, grapeseed oil. But in this video, I will be making use of grapeseed oil. I'm going to pour oil to cover the lemongrass. Then I'm going to stir or mix so that everything will mix properly. You can decide to pour this oil into a jar and cover it and allow it to fuse for some days. But I'll be showing you a quicker way on how to make this lemongrass infused oil. I will make sure that I mix properly until well combined. I'll be making use of the double boiler method. So I have a pot of hot water, so I'm going to place the bowl into the pot of hot water and allow it to boil for about 20 minutes. From time to time, I'll be stirring. Using the double boiling method will help to extract all the nutrients from the lemongrass into the oil. So I'll be stirring occasionally. So after about 20 minutes, I will turn off the heat then allow to cool. When the oil has cooled down, I'm going to strain to get the oil. I will press to make sure I get all the oil. Then you can store the oil in airtight container, and this oil is going to last for a long time because there is no liquid in this oil. Lemon oil has a powerful citric scent. You can use this oil to massage your skin, to relieve pain, relieve stress. Lemongrass oil has acne fighting qualities. It will purify the skin, promote good night's sleep, and it will help to relieve headache. You can decide to filter the oil to remove the smaller particles from the lemongrass. You can also use this oil to massage your skin to relieve pain. I hope you can see how easy it is to make the infused lemongrass oil at home and also all the benefits. Thank you all for watching.